Stop saying this so you'll get hired at your dream job. Number one, don't say na undergrad ka. Alam naman natin lahat na pag sinabi mong undergrad, it means hindi ka nakatapos ng college. Pero, it can also mean anywhere from kulang ako ng isa or dalawang subject na hindi ko pa natatapos, or one semester, one trimester lang ako dun sa school na yun. So, magkaiba yung one semester dun sa one trimester. Tapos, magkaiba rin yung hindi nakatapos ng college na may work experience, tapos yung mga hindi nakatapos ng college na walang work experience. So, pag sinabi mong undergrad, unang-una, sinasabi mo na disadvantage ka. So, wag ganun. I always say na dapat honest ka sa mga interview mo. If they ask you kung nakatapos ka ng college or sabihin mo na I'm at this level, so depende kung anong year ka na, nakailang trimester ka na, sabihin mo kung nasan ka. There's nothing wrong with telling the truth there. Pero hindi rin maganda na you open your conversation with your weakness na wala ka namang naka-ready na counter. So as much as possible, i-avoid mo i-open yung conversation mo na, "Hi, my name is Kevin and I'm an undergrad." Huwag ganun. Marami pa akong i-share sa'yo na mga things na don't say sa interview bukas ulit.